For the past couple days, we've just been that great pattern of just perfectly, it feels like fall weather.
Yeah, well, here. The other part of the state, though, is starting to heat up. Central, western Kansas, the heat's building in, and we may get a little glimmer of that tomorrow, but we do have storm chances as well. Let's take a look, first of all, at what we're tracking. We've got an isolated storm possible late tonight, early tomorrow. That'll be the first chance, and it looks to be more for the central or eastern counties. Not all the models agree on exactly where those storms would be early tomorrow. But then storm chances returning late Thursday. That'll be coming in out of the central part of the state, so our western counties will stand the best chance for late Thursday, early Thursday night rain, and then as a front comes through, it'll be back to the eastern side of the area for a few storms on the front on Friday. And then as we look a little farther ahead, the weekend still looks good. We clear out, drier air, low 80s, beautiful day Saturday, 87 on Sunday. A look from our Spring Creek Golf Course Seneca cam, lots of sunshine still. We've seen a few clouds around, a little hazier today, 83 degrees, south-southeast wind at 10 miles per hour. Another cool start to the day, warmed up into the low to mid 80s across the eastern counties and even some upper 80s west. But look at Hayes, it's 100 degrees right now, 99 at Liberal. So lots of heat in the central and western part of the state. Still mild to the east where we've got 83 at Topeka, but notice the western counties up into the upper 80s, just starting to kind of get clipped by a little bit of that warmth and a little bit higher humidity. So while it doesn't rise much, by the time you're to Salina, the heat index is up to 98. The highest humidity is actually moving up through central Kansas right now. As the winds are southeast and even somewhat east at Concordia, it's not moving eastward at this point. It's actually moving westward. And so the humidity is not going to instantly surge back into the area, but it will be a little bit higher tomorrow. You'll notice the heat index by tomorrow afternoon climbs into the middle to upper 90s. In between some rain chances. And so this kind of the fringe of this, we could see a shower or storm tomorrow morning kind of riding on the fringe of that hotter air as it starts to spread in. It doesn't last long. Get through tomorrow, Friday upper 80s and low 90s, and by the time we're into Saturday, again, these are heat index values, we'll look for temperatures into the 80s, feeling like it's in the 80s once again with drier air moving in. Skies have been partly cloudy to the east and to the northeast. The showers moving out of Nebraska fizzled out. What's not fizzling out is this next system. We're tracking that next rain chance. It's currently over the central Rockies. It's still moving its way east-northeast, and then we'll start to move back into the region. You'll see this on Future Track. Maybe a couple of showers later this evening or tonight west of the viewing area. Some of the models will break out some isolated storms east and southeast. This particular one does not, but we still think there's at least a chance early tomorrow, and then a second chance late tomorrow into tomorrow night for some scattered showers and storms, and then a third chance when the front comes through late Friday, but by Friday evening it's pushing to the east and will dry out for the weekend. So tomorrow, at least a storm chance around, mainly late for Topeka, 86 for the high, 90 at Manhattan, south winds, 87 at Emporia with a hit or miss storm, mainly late. So the 40% chance for showers and storms still there for Thursday and on into Friday. I think during the day, though, tomorrow will actually be fairly quiet. Maybe an early chance isolated and then a better chance late, but in between we warm up. 86 with western counties near 90 tomorrow. And then again warm on Friday with a chance for some scattered storms. Cooler and drier Saturday. We're tracking to return to near 90-degree weather early next week. A look at the start of the day. Again, kind of more of a summer look to that sky from Wellner Lopez. Again, overall, I think we're going to feel a little bit warmer and more humid by tomorrow, but also introduce those storm chances back in, but setting us up for a good weekend.
Hey, I like the news for a good weekend. Like we've said, we've had a few weekends where the temperatures went up, so it'll be nice to have a nice, pleasant one.
And a really nice Saturday this time.
What's better news than that?
Yeah.
Thanks, Matt.